Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can control your media like volume and music using your keyboard shortcuts like this.
Please don't stop the music.
Let's hope no one will claim copyright for that. First go to autohotkey.com and download autohotkey installer. Now install it. Now go to this link which is in the video description and download it. Now press Ctrl R, type this, press OK. Now go to view and uncheck hide extension for known files and click OK. This is the file that I told you to download. Now rename it and erase the txt and the dot at the end. Now right click and go to edit script. I'm using Sublime Notepad, will be just fine. Don't worry about it. Now change the location of this with your music player. I don't have any other place, so I'm just going to use another software's location. Now save it. Now right click and reload it. Now if I press pause, you can see this comes up. I'm just going to undo that and save it. For Google Music Place, erase this and this. Now reload this. You can see the Google Music is being loaded. If you want to change pause to another function button, just replace it. By toggling scroll work, you can enable or disable the hotkeys. To make sure it starts up with Windows, go to this location which is in the video description and move the file here. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.